Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski, your instructor for the fall 2021 semester for COM 101, Section 330. This is the online version of COM 101. So I want to draw your attention to a couple of facts here. Here is the home page, and you can read and click through and kind of search around. Canvas is at your leisure. I have a course orientation video that I produced for last year's COVID reality classes, all about how I organize Canvas. So you want to take a good look at that video. So here is the recent announcements, and I communicate with the class through announcements. So I have a what is college learning, and that I'll get to in a little bit. Course orientation video was put out in the announcement, and then I have the welcome to COM 101. So as I say here, okay, each week I will publish the weekly schedule and screencast video where I discuss the week's events and assignments. That's the housekeeping end of it, I call, where I will talk about what's due, any kind of strategies, any news that I want to pass along to the class. All right, so that'll come out usually like on Sunday or Monday. In the middle of the week, I will produce a lecture video where I talk about the week's content, covering important strategies and running discussion boards and assignments. So if there's something on content, something pertaining to that particular unit, and also that assignments that are due and make up that unit, that will, excuse me, that will come during the week in the lecture video. So if we look at the course schedule for the week, you have orientation and activities, the orientation video, the discussion board number one is the getting to know you discussion board. It's really kind of easy. You can just get over there, read the instructions, and tell us all about yourself. And here is that welcome video screencast that I'm recording to you right now. And about middle of the week, I will record a syllabus video where I will review the syllabus and also talk a little bit about the syllabus in Google Drive exercise where we will actually work in Google Drive. Let me get to the modules here. All right, so you're going to want to take a really good look at the Google Drive instructions in the course orientation activities. Here is really the lecture video, the video tutorial that I have here about how we will use Google Drive throughout the semester. Here is the course Drive folder that will take you to COM 101-330 course folder in Google Drive. So you're going to want to make sure that you follow along the tutorial, read the instructions carefully, and be able to perform the syllabus / Google Drive exercise. All right, because this is worth 15 points, up to 50 points. If you annotate the syllabus, let me know your thoughts and your thinking. I will respond to you in that document. Once again, that is 15 points, and this is extra credit because it is actually going to be pushed in the system as being 0, and I'll give you up to 15 points for it. All right, so make sure you're aware of that and you take advantage of this and make sure you do it correctly. All right, so that will be the syllabus in Google Drive activity that's due according to the schedule. It won't be due until Sunday. So you want to take a look at the lecture video, review the tutorial on the Google Drive section there on the instructions, the orientation video. So all of these are pretty important videos that will help set up your experience and knowledge about Canvas, about Drive, and about where we're going over the semester. Okay, that's about all I have for the initial screencast video. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.